Glam Dolls, welcome back to the channel. I am back, and ooh, it's been a long time, but you know what? I keep telling you all, when you see me less, that means I'm doing more. And with that being said, I have some amazing goodies from TEMU that I'm here today to share with you all. So if you're interested in seeing what all I've got, I strongly suggest you all keep on watching. I am so elated to be back. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, if you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, you know, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as for being the beauty who's on a budget, who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I do encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, like, for real, seriously, especially now that I'm back. You don't want to miss the uploads that I'm going to be sharing on this channel. Oh my gosh, so I'm back, and I'm here today to actually share with you some fabulous goodies that I have received from TEMU. And if you're not familiar with this company, you must be under a rock, okay? Because if you like companies like Shein, you're going to become so obsessed with TEMU. And as a welcome to you coming in on this channel or continuing to be on this channel, I have an exclusive offer for you before I even share the goodies with you. So let me make sure that I give it to you correctly, okay? Download the TEMU app. That's what you're going to do, is download the TEMU app. It's the same. I don't want to make the comparison of saying they like Shein, but if you like shopping on Shein, ooh, you are going to love this app. I promise you. Anyhow, download the app from the link, right? When you download the app, you're going to get a $100 coupon bundle. It is a $100 coupon bundle. It's not $100. It's a $100 coupon bundle. Then, in the search bar on the app, not the website, on the app, you're going to put in this code right here. And that's how you're going to claim your coupon bundle for $100, okay? Coupon bundle. I'm reading it right here. It says it clear as day. And and the products that I'm about to show you, I will be sure to link each and every piece, whatever, down in the description box below. But that coupon bundle that you're going to use, you do not need to use it for the things that I'm about to show you. You can use it towards whatever you like that you will see on the site, okay? These are just things that I picked that I want to share with you all. So we're going to jump right on into this, okay? So I've been going for a minute because I've been doing a lot of home, not a lot, but I was knee deep in, ooh, it's hard to get this open, child. I was knee deep in home renovations. So with that being said, I picked a lot of things that was geared around, I'm just gonna go to the box. I picked a lot of things that was geared around the home renovation and, you know, stuff for the house. And I also picked out a few things for myself, being as I'm a YouTuber, content creator, or if you're just a person who likes shooting content for yourself, you're gonna need one of these right here. This right here. When I saw this, no way was I gonna leave it behind. This is the Vlogger tripod stand with the handheld grip. And like I said, the link to everything will be down in the description box below. When you open the box, this is everything that's in the box. So you have your wire. You have your light, because you're going to need a light, okay? You have your microphone. Oh my gosh, I needed one of these so bad. Your microphone. And then this is your vlogging piece right here. So what I'm going to do is put this together real quick. Okay, right here. And voila. This is what it's going to look like. So if I was using it, you know, I'll be talking to my camera like this, whatever. And I got the microphone. I have the light back here is where you put the battery for you to be able to turn the light on. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell of how you put that together. Let me put that down. What else I got in here? It's a lot of stuff. Oh, this is a straightening comb. Okay, now I do a lot of beauty content here on this channel. I do wig reviews and whatnot, so this right here was a no-brainer for me to pick up, and I can straighten my natural hair or a wig and don't have to worry about burning it because of the protective combing case right here. Inside of this combing case is what gets really hot, so when I'm brushing the hair and stuff, I could even touch it against the side of my face and don't have to worry about it because the outside is a protective barrier, whereas the inside of this is what's going to heat up when the hair passes through it. Okay, and that's what the box of it is looking like. So these are the utensil set that I ordered for my kitchen. So this is what it looks like when you get it out of its packaging, and I must admit the quality on this surpassed my expectations. Yeah, I didn't expect the quality to be, honestly speaking, this doggone good. And I love the wooden end, the wooden handle, and the silicone right here, and these are heat resistant up to, I want to say it said 350 degrees, no, 230 degrees. Okay, heat resistant up to 230 degrees. All right, so I got this, and it comes with all the utensils I'm going to need: my whisk, my spaghetti holder, spatulas. It also have some, let me get this out, some tongs. Yes, it has some tongs. Oh, it even has my little baser. Okay, my little baser. You know, you could also, no, also I could use this if I don't use it in the kitchen to apply my face mask. That's a whole other separate video. But for the most part, these are my utensils. Super excited to have that. What up? It's a lot. This is going to be a long video, so get comfortable. What's in this box right here? Let's see. This is all some goodie stuff. Let's see. Next up out the box will be, okay, so this right here is the paper towel holder, which it comes with the sticker here on the back, the 3M sticker, and I'm going to peel that off, put it underneath my cabinet so that the paper towel will hang right here, and this is what it's looking like. And I got it in this gorgeous off-white color to match the color of my kitchen. You dolls is going to be in for such a treat because I will be sharing with you all the final reveal of my kitchen. This is called Shining Eye. I wonder what this thingy is. What is this? Oh, all right, we got some eyewear. We got some eyewear. Come through with the faux Valentino glasses. They not real Valentino, but you ain't gonna tell me they not. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Really? What? Look at that. Look at that design right there. Come on. Look at that design right there. Come through, sis. I'm through. These are gonna go right here because I will be wearing them later. Yes, ma'am. Okay, these are some scrubbers for my kitchen for when I'm cleaning the sink. I started just cleaning the sink. I decided to go with yellow, of course, for a little bit of ray of sunshine. I can use this side to gently clean my pots, or to clean my sink, or to clean my stove, whichever. However, I got the yellow version. You know, that's cute. Put that right there. What else is in this box? Oh, this is the soap dish. I remember this one. And in my bathroom, I, you know, put the soap down on the counter. I cannot stand that leaves that type of residue of the soap. So all I gotta do is put this together right here. It has a suction cup, and I put the soap in the dish, and the soap can drain, the residue can drain into the sink from when the soap is wet, and the soap will be right there sitting pretty, always ready and available. So I got that. Now my sink don't have to have the soap phlegm stuff all over it because I have this. So happy for that. So happy for that. What is this right here? This is, oh my gosh, this is a vase. Oh, look at how cute this is. I remember picking this out. It had the little flower in it. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the set. Oh my god, so cute, super cute. My little vase, whichever. It's just cute. Put them together. Okay, got that. Last thing out of this box. Last piece out of the box. What is this? Oh, these are my food saver containers. OMG. I wanted these so badly because I'm going to make a minimalist pantry in which you will see in the kitchen. This is what the container is looking like. This is the top to the container. Let me put it on there real quick. I'm going to look like. Yes. Cannot wait to use this. Yes. We're going to get a full-on video about that. So that was that. And the last box, which is this video, is coming to an end. Oh my gosh. I had a lot of fun sharing with you all my fabulous picks. Last but not least, my cleaning mop right here. My cleaning mop. So this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. Throw the box away. This is the actual pad right here that you will put on the mop. And this is what the inside of it look like. It has two sides, clean water, dirty water. You would dip the mop in the one side and you'll be able to clean your floors or your wall effectively. Honestly, I'll be using this more than likely for my walls because I already have something in play for my floors, which you are going to. And on that note, dolls, this is now concluding the video of everything that I received from TEMU. Everything that I've shared with you will be linked down in the description box below, or you can comment which item you want the link to. I'll be happy to share it to you because I am no gatekeeper. Don't forget to take advantage of the $100 coupon bundle that I shared with you in the beginning of this video. And how you do to claim that $100 coupon bundle is simply by downloading the TEMU app. Once you download the app, you're going to go into the search bar, put in this code right here, and that will open up for you to claim your $100 coupon bundle that you can use towards the purchase of anything you like or that I may have shared with you in this video. Either way, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and put these things away, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Download the app. Get your $100 coupon bundle, sis.